Hey ho. Hope you all had a nice day. I spent the first half of my day outdoors. It was like a super, super sunny spring day in the UK. So Sarah Beth and I went bouldering a little bit. So it was like really cool. And we pumped ourselves so that we could do like a nice round of work afterwards. So what did I do today? Today, I first fixed the registration form, which is the registration for every role. So every user basically defines what resources, what performance, which regions, in which time frames are they available. So because we also refactor this thing into components that could be reused, so that next time somebody wants to use exactly the same performance settings or resources or something, they can just reference the ID of that component instead of like posting the whole data set again. So this was the first part, and then in the second part, I was basically stuck a little bit with the phase of getting providers. So when we create a contract and then these sub parts of the contract that are actually executables, we call them amendments. We search for providers. So this is actual action that will happen hosting. So we're searching for providers that will execute this hosting setup, which is 3 encoders, one attester, and 3 hosters. So this is a function that deals with this, and the main part is this select function where we're actually checking if the user qualifies for a job. And then in the qualify, we're actually checking if it's schedule compatible, if it has enough capacity, and if it has enough storage available. And because this registration form was now changed a little bit, I had to adapt also the logic here. So if I now check, the whole thing runs until those actors in this hosting setup receive the command encode, host, or attest, and then there's some error. Something, I don't know, because it's very late and I will have to continue here tomorrow. But yeah, so basically, just to repeat again, what am I even doing? So the first phase of our work was just like, let's build the thing so that it works. Like, let's come up with the whole logic of our service, and then let's just build the first prototype, and the thing worked. Then we went into refactoring, and now I'm trying to get all these sketches that we did for refactoring into the actual action. But because the thing is complex, we on the side also started using the state machines. So we set up now the empty state machines that cover the main management logic of the whole app, or the whole process, all the processes. And now when I fix this whole flow with this ugly, messy code that we have, that was basically really just like, let's put it out to make it work. Let's not bother ourselves with like the clean code so much. So now it's going to be like putting the thing onto state machine logic and cleaning it up, making it readable, clean up the naming, and so on. So that's somewhere where I am currently. I will continue tomorrow to do this. And then when I get to the end of everything, I guess I start putting it on the state machines. I'll see. Or I'll do the first cleanup also here once everything is running. I'll see. But I'm happy with how it moves. So yeah, that's my daily update. See you tomorrow.